Hello guys, this is MinhyeokChoi3rL25 lesson 25. Let's get started. Find the missing factor. So number 1, we have 2 times 4 times blank equals 8. So let's just do 2 times 4 and we have 8. 8 times blank is 8. But if we have 1 8, that means it's 8. But then if you have 2 8, that means that's 16. So the answer would be 1. And number 2, we have 2 times 4, which is 8. And then times blank is 24. Let's try 2, and that is 16. 8 times 3 is 24, so 3 would be the answer. 14 equals 2 times 7. Let's just do that one first. 14 times something is 14. It's just itself, so it would be 1. Because if it put 0, if you multiply anything by 0, then the answer would be 0. So on this one, 1 times blank is 1 times blank times 8 is 64. So since it's in parentheses, we're gonna have to do that one first, so we can't do times 8 first. So let's just do 1 times 4. Let's just try it. 1 times 4 is 4, and 4 times 8 would be 32. That is a big difference, so let's try 6 this time. 1 times 6 and 6 times 8 would be 48. That is still too small. Let's try 8. 1 times 8 is 8, and then 8 times 8 is 64. Oh, that works, so that would be 8. And 2 times 4 is 8, and then 8 times something is 40. Let's try 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. That's just 8 difference, so we know that it's going to be 5. Number 6, we have parentheses again, so it's a 7 times blank equals 42. It's parentheses, we're gonna have to do that one first. Let's try 4. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 7 would be 56. So that is bigger, so let's try 3. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 7 is 42. So that would be 3. This one, 6 times 1 is 6, and 6 times 8 is 48. And 6 times 5 is 30, and there's 2 of 30s, that would be 60. And 7 times 4 is 14, and times 2, just double it, that would be 28. And since it's parentheses, we're going to do this one first. 6 times 1 is 6, and times 2, that would be 12. Write a division sentence using subtraction. Okay, so we're going to divide this, but then by subtraction. So the number we're starting off with is 8. And then the divisor is 2. If you see the pattern, we're subtracting by 2. Divided by 2, and let's count how many times we subtracted by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be 4. Number 2, we're starting off with 24. And the divisor, or the number we're subtracting by, is 8. And we subtracted by 8 3 times, so the answer would be 3. 24 divided by 8 is 3, equals 3. And this one, we're starting off with 20, and we're subtracting by 5. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4 times, so the answer is 4. Use subtraction to solve. Okay, so from 15, if you minus 3 once, that would be 12. And then twice, so it would be 9. If you subtract it 3 times, then it would be 6. Then if you subtract it 4 times, then it would be 3. And lastly, fifth time, that would be 0. So that would be 5. Same with this one. From 21, if you subtract 7 once, twice, that would be 7. And then if you subtract 1 more, that would be 0. So we know that the answer would be 3. Same with this one. 10 minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. And we have to do that 5 times. And then from 16, we only need to subtract 8 twice to get 0. From 35, to get to 0, we need to subtract 7 5 times. Number 6, we have 6. And 36 minus 6 is 30, and then keep on doing that. And we're going to need to do it 6 times in order to get to 0. 7, we have 5, and 25 minus 5, minus 5 minus 5, and that would be 5 times until we get to 0. 24, that would be 16, and then another time that would be 8, and then another time it would be 0, so it would be 3 times. This one from 15 minus it once, that would be 10, minus it 5, minus 5 again, that would be 5, and then the third time it would be 0. Number 10, we have 12, subtract it by 2, and we have to do that 6 times. 11, we only have to subtract by 9 twice, and 12, we only need to subtract 10 4 times. Word problems. Mark buys 22 baseball cards. He keeps 10 cards and divides the rest equally between 2 friends. How many cards will each friend get? So he keeps 10 cards. So 22 is the total, and he keeps 10. So 2 minus 0 is 2, and 2 minus 1 would be 1. So there's 12 cards left to divide between 2 friends. So we're going to use subtraction. Minus 2, because there's 2 friends. That'd be 10, then 10 minus 2, that'd be 8, and then 8 minus 2, that'd be 6, 6 minus 2, that'd be 4, 4 minus 2 would be 2, and 2 minus 2 would be 0. So we used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each friend will get 6 baseball cards. Number 2. Christy arranged 28 stamps so that 7 were in each row. How many rows does she make? 28 stamps so that 7 were in each row. So we're going to need to find out how many rows she had. So she had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So each of these have 7. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Colin puts 36 pennies into 4 equal piles. How many pennies are in each pile? So let's use subtraction again. Actually, let's use multiplication. Let's guess that 4 times 6 would be close to 36. That is 24. And that's somewhat close. Let's try 8. 4 times 8 is 32. That's very close, so let's try 9. 4 times 9 is 36. So it is 36, and we multiplied by 9. So 9 pennies are in each pile. Number 4, Kendra bakes 14 muffins. She eats 2 muffins and divides the rest equally among 6 friends. What division sentence shows the how many muffins each friend gets? So 14, she ate 2. That's 12 left, and there's 6 friends. So 12 minus 6 is 6, and 6 minus 6 is 0. So that was once and twice subtracted by 6. So that would be 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.